Have you ever wondered which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we're diving into a comparison of Producer AI and Suno. Both tools help you create audio content, but they have different features that set them apart. Producer AI focuses on generating high quality audio tracks quickly. It's designed for music producers and podcasters who want to streamline their workflow. On the other hand, Suno offers a unique approach to audio creation. It emphasizes voice synthesis and allows users to create realistic voiceovers for various applications. This makes it a great option for content creators who need engaging narration. Now, let's look at the key differences. Producer AI is more about music production, while Suno shines in voice generation. If you're looking to make beats or edit tracks, Producer AI is your go to, but if you need lifelike voiceovers, Suno is the better choice. When it comes to features, Producer AI provides tools for mixing, mastering, and sound design. Suno, however, includes options for customizing voice styles and accents, making it versatile for storytelling. Pricing can be a deciding factor as well. Producer AI typically offers subscription plans which can vary based on features. Suno also has different pricing tiers depending on usage and access to advanced options. In the end, if you are a music producer or podcaster, Producer AI will likely serve you best, but if you need realistic voiceovers for videos or presentations, Suno is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.